You are going to have to completely bleed your brake system, including activating the ABS pump with your scan tool after this job is complete. Do not try and drive the vehicle without completely bleeding the system. Master cylinder is located under the front trim panel, red arrow. You will need to remove all the upper front trim trunk panels to perform this work, and please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with that. The master cylinder, green arrow, is connected to the reservoir, blue arrow, and the brake booster, red arrow. Brake fluid is deadly to your car's paint. Place a couple of towels down so as not to get any on the vehicle, and when working with the fluid, make sure not to get any on you or your clothes, and then touch the vehicle's paint. Disconnect the level sender by squeezing in on the tab and pulling it down, red arrow. You will need to use a fluid pump and drain the reservoir, red arrow. Since you are going to be removing the master and having to completely bleed the system, you can also open up a bleed nipple on one of the calipers with a catch bottle attached and pump the brakes until the fluid is removed from both the reservoir and the master. Use your flare nut wrench and remove the two lines out of the master cylinder, green arrows. Use a 22mm socket or wrench and remove the nuts holding the master in place. The now empty reservoir, green arrow, will need to be removed to remove the upper 22mm nut, red arrow. Just pull the reservoir straight up and out. It is only held in place by two rubber grommets, red arrows. Use care when removing not to spill any of the fluid that will still be in the master cylinder. If you are reusing the master, make sure to replace the reservoir grommets, red arrows, and the sealing O-ring on the rear of the master to brake booster, blue arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Again, you're going to have to completely bleed your brake system, including activating the ABS pump with your scan tool to complete this job. Do not try and drive the vehicle without completely bleeding the system with your scan tool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.